So now we're going to click on division, hold down the control key, click on the division sign so they're both selected, go up here to shape, over here to group. So now you have division sign, and so we have please excuse my dear. Now we have ant. So we're going to go to insert a shape. There is a plus sign. Like I said, if you guys want to change these colors, all you have to do is when you're here, if you go to shape, see this, it says shape fill. So I can click on it and I can make it any color I wanted. So if you want to make each one a different color, you're more than welcome to. All right, and then we're going to type in addition. Insert text box. Control V. Oh. R-A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Alright. And you can also make the fonts different color if you wanted to. So if I wanted to go here, since we're making everything a different color, we can make it yellow. And I'll make it maybe 32. Sounds good. So now if I have this and I hold the control key and I have both of them selected, I go to shape and go to group. One more, last one, will be insert shape. We're going to go down to the subtraction sign and we're going to insert text box. We're going to call it subtraction. And I'm going to make it it has to be, we'll do gray, and we'll make it maybe 32. Alright, so I have that, and then I hold down the control key, so both of them are selected, go to shape, and to group. Now what I want you to do is animate it so that all of them come in the correct order. But I don't want anything to be on here at the very beginning. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to animate it. So we're going to select our group for parentheses. We're going to go to animations, and I'll have that one appear. Then I'm going to go to my excuse. I have to do them in order, or it won't come in the right way. So please excuse my, and we'll go down here and we're going to do grow and turn, dear, and maybe we'll do expand, ant, box, and subtraction, zoom. So now if I go to slideshow and say play from beginning, I have nothing here. So if I was teaching, I could be saying, okay guys, what is it? And then when I click on it, it comes in, click again, click again, click again, and Sally. So now that is more interactive, and it will make for a better presentation no matter what it is that you are presenting. So once you are done with this, you need to save it as, I'm going to go here, we're going to save it as Q3A13. So then we have it, and that is what you will turn in. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, and if not, I hope to see you soon.